In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, you need to launch Settings and scroll to click on Security and Privacy section available here. Then scroll to tap on Device Unlock and Screen Lock. Now, it's time to pick one of those login methods. Just tap on the best one for you, pattern, pin or password, and after you decided, create it here. If you made a mistake or you change your mind, hit clear at the bottom left corner and redo it. If you are sure though and wanna continue, hit next at the bottom right one. Repeat your login method to confirm it and select confirm. Now, adjust the lock screen notifications by clicking on one of those options. Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, select done. So now when I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!